Stock number 38965 is a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox LS trim level, all-wheel drive, on sale for $18,888. It was originally purchased at our dealership and was just recently traded in. It's got some fantastic features such as heated front seats, remote vehicle start, rear vision camera. It's got the spacious hatch in the back. I'll show you the back seats because they do fold down. They're split folding, so you can have a passenger in the back as well as have some extra cargo. 17-inch wheels. There's a back seat, rear air vents. I'll show you, it's quite easy. Just push that button, fold down the seat, and now you have split seats for extra cargo and passengers, or you can fold them all down. The buttons on all the doors, if you have the remote for the vehicle in your pocket, you'll be able to lock and unlock the vehicle with those buttons without pulling the remote out of your pocket. We have power locks, power mirrors, power windows, automatic lights. There's the cockpit view, bucket seats, heated bucket seats, light gray and dark gray interior, which is nice, keeps it nice and bright when you're inside the vehicle. Right here is your cruise control buttons. You can see here it's 73,122 kilometers. Your Bluetooth and your driver information center controls, which gives you a whole bunch of options of oil change, your fuel range, your speedometer, which is kind of important. Over here in the Infotainment Center, you can see here there's heated seats for front driver and passenger, HVAC controls. You do have a USB and a 12-volt plug. It is a push-button start. Up here is your controls for audio. It has your rear vision camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I'll show you the rear vision camera right there. Another neat feature of this Equinox is the all-wheel drive that you can choose to turn off or turn on. 2018 Chevrolet Equinox, one-owner trade-in, LS trim level, all-wheel drive. 38965, on sale for $18,888. Give us a call at 613-257-2432 to book your test drive today.